Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's very exciting again. Here we have now a lesson number 8. This is the last one on this part number 2. Here we're gonna do review of all the letters they connect with other letters, and our goal is to make sure that the learners should practice and identify these letters, um, as well as knowing how they appear in each position. All right, so it's very exciting indeed. I think our journey has been really much profitable. I'm really very happy with the progress that has happened so far. Okay, now without wasting your time, let's go into the last lesson. Okay, here we're going to do our revision. So you will see there will be letters and there will be a lot of letters connected to it so that we can just identify them, how they look when they are in the series of letters um, in our text. So let's go into it. All right, so the first letter you see there, it's the top one here. This is Lam Alif, but that's just to recap what happened previously. This is Lam Alif. You'll see Lam Alif like that, and also Kaf Alif. So Lam Alif and Kaf Alif are not the same thing, but they look the same. So please identify and also know these ones here. Kaf and Ya, as you can see, this is how they look when they're connected to each other. And Dwad and Aleph. That's Dwad and Aleph. So very important to understand how these things happen. And also, the last one here is Lam Aleph. This Lam Aleph here and this Lam Aleph here is the same letter, same thing, only that they are written. There's some places where it will be like this, and some places where it will be like this, depending on the way it appears in the letters in the alphabets. All right, it's very important thing that we have to know those things. Now, for the sake of this lesson number 8, because it's a revision, we want to show you how these letters will appear if you meet them in some series of letters that will be happening, especially in the Quran, and how they appear in those places. So we're going to go through these series of letters, as you have seen, connected long letters that is here. Now, let's start with the first one here. Okay, if you see something like that with a dot at the bottom, that's a bar. So the bar is like that. And when you look at the same thing, similar thing, but in the middle, and it's got a dot on top, that should be noon. That should be noon. And I think that's another bar here, and they just show you how do they interconnect, and that's tar. You know how they do connect to interconnect when you see them in the series of letters or alphabets when they're connecting to each other. This is how they will look, and that's tha. And there is also noon. And here you can see here with the two dots at the bottom here, that's your ya. And here two dot on top the ta, and that's ya again, and that's that. So it's very important to see these dots exactly how they appear on top or at the bottom. Here is the bar again, and this is noon. That's tha again, that's ya again. And now, interestingly, here you've got Hamza. Why is it Hamza there? Instead of putting Aleph, they've put Hamza because then it comes the same way in the series. There's no interruption of the letters as you write them. You write them the same way, but I just identify that here there is an Aleph. So you can see the Hamza here. Hamza will be pronounced similar to Aleph, as I said before. Now you've got Tha, and you've got Ya, you've got Ta, and Hamza again at that space there. You pronounce it the same as Alif when you see them, and the last one there is Za. So let's recap that. You can repeat after me. Ba, Noon, Ba, Ta, Tha, Noon, Ya, Ta, Ya, Tha, Ba, Na, Noon, Ba, Noon, Tha, Ya, Hamza, Tha, Ya, Ta, Hamza, Za. All right, then we continue with other letters still. Now, you'll see now these are more complicated. Um, Another series of letters. So this is Fa. Fa at the beginning. And the next two is Ghain. So you can see Fa and Ghain. Fa is more like you write it like a round. It's like a round here, like a round here. But Ghain will have a certain shape. You know, that's a shape like that. Ain and Ghain will have this. But so please don't be confused between Fa and Ghain. So this is a Ghain and this is a Qaf and this is Fa. So Fa and Fa at the beginning, Fa in the middle. It will be like that. Ain in the middle, Ghain in the middle, and that's Ba there. So you can see the difference here. Here, it's like a U. It's like a basin, U. But here, it's just a notch. So you have to know that this points to this place here. So that's Ba. Fa, Fa, Ain, Ta, Qaf, Tha, Fa, Ya, Ya here, and Hamza, and Ain, and Ghain. So let's recap to that. Fa, Ghain, Qaf, Fa, Ain, Ghain, Ba, Fa, Fa, Ain, Ta, Qaf, Tha, Ba, Tha, Fa, Ya, Hamza, Ain, Ghain. Right, now the last one in this series is the letters coming just after these ones here. And also here start with Fa, Tha, Qaf, Noon, Fa, Mim, Ya, Kaf, Ha. You see Ha when it is in the when it comes in the middle, Lam. Then you've got Hamza there, Mim, Lam. Then you've got Ha. So sometimes you'll see Ha like this here. Sometimes you'll see a Ha like this here. Sometimes you'll see a Ha marbut. Okay, thing similar to that, but without the dots. So you've got Ha here, they've got Kaf, then you've got Sin. Sin has got three teeth, you know, jigsaw. Yeah, three teeth, just like Shim. Three teeth, that makes it sword. Sin, and comes sword, and the Thor. Ha, Ta. Let's recap. Fa, Tha, Qaf, Noon, Fa, Mim, Ya, Kaf, Ha, Lam, Hamza, Mim, Lam, Ha, Kaf, Sin, Swad, Tho, Ha, Ta. Thank you very much, brothers and sisters, for attending these lessons, part one and part two. And this is the end of part two. From here now, we're going to start with vowels. And now how to put vowels and other elements to our reading. It's going to be very, very interesting. And I would like you to come with me into the next part three that we're going to be having. I'll be introducing the vowels, I think, in the next one, which is your fatha, kasr, and dhammas. All of those will be now covered in the part three. Thank you very much for being with me. Thank you very much for attending this class. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe and also tell your friends about it, you know, so that we can all benefit from this Quranic journey that we have taken. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.